Hi, my name is Lorenzo, and I'm the inventor of the Bug Assault. Flies are disgusting. Thanks a lot, Tony. Protect your food and your health with the Bug Assault. Simple to use, just pour ordinary table salt, cock, aim, remove safety, and fire. Non-toxic, air-powered, no batteries required. One pump, and it's over.
Go to bugassault.com today. $39.95 plus shipping and handling. For added value, the buddy deal. Order 2 guns and receive free shipping at bugassault.com.
Booyah!
Tired of cleaning that stubborn brake dust with sponges, chemicals, and brushes that simply just don't work? Introducing the Brush Hero. The Brush Hero easily cuts through dirt and brake dust, blasting through tight spaces around lug nuts, wheel spokes, and grills. Brush Hero's patented technology is created with high-quality injection-molded plastic that never corrodes, requires no batteries or electricity, and provides strong water-powered cleaning and detailing for cars, motorcycles, bikes, furniture, barbecues, window screens, pets, and more. The Brush Hero has an amazing amount of torque and is powered only by your garden hose. It's strong enough to remove muck and grease, but soft enough to clean paint and car windows without scratching. Use the interchangeable soft brush for chrome and the harder brush to get stubborn grease off your grill or caked-on muck off your mountain bike, boat, or garden tools. Simply push on a brush, flip the handy on-off switch, and start cleaning. Get your Brush Hero today and blast the grime away.
Making grown men cry since 1975, SABRE is the leading brand used by law enforcement agencies worldwide, including the NYPD and Los Angeles County Sheriffs. Made in the USA, SABRE features a much better value because it has a 4-year shelf life versus the industry average of only 2 years. And SABRE can be used much faster because it doesn't require precious seconds needed to shake the canister. It's ready to go immediately, and every canister is backed by SABRE's exclusive HPLC guarantee. Our in-house lab eliminates the 30% heat failure rate experienced with other brands, guaranteeing maximum heat in every single canister. This makes it the most advanced pepper spray to be used worldwide. SABRE's home defense model is now available in gel to offer a greater 30-foot range. Why gel? Gel virtually eliminates wind blowback without any airborne particles. meaning it only affects the target or person it directly contacts, not anyone else in the immediate area, such as family members. It's also ideal for indoor use, and it won't spread through ventilation systems. Gel also offers a greater range, 20% farther than traditional pepper spray. This model's wall mount and pistol grip mean that it's easy to use and is immediately available at a moment's notice. Protect yourself and your family with Home Defense Gel from SABRE.